Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, power windows, tachometer, driver memory seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.